market's unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel.
Good morning. All right, just checking my sound. Oh, good Monday morning, December 30th, 2024. Starting off on a good note. Got coffee. It's raining. It's beautiful. All right. Here's the hour chart. We came down, hit some support down here. I don't think it's going to hold. I wouldn't be surprised to come down here and tag the bottom 21,306 area. Possibly even coming on down here to bear target 2. But we'll see. We'll see if people are going to continue to sell. Just taking profit, I think. You know, we're still in an uptrend. Nothing like that's really changed. We got some, looks like some 240 minute, 4 hour support down here. I mean, I wouldn't think we'd go that low, but you never can tell. I got to redo my Elliott wave system on my trading view. I haven't done it yet, so let me get rid of that. Anyway, we're just playing around here. So we've got, I put some fibs on this morning. Just went up from the low to this high, and you know, we busted through the 61.8, so it looks like we could come down to 21,336 or 21,243 roughly, 240 area. From the top up here, we actually came up and busted up through the 78.6 and then rejected here. So that was finished. So then you go from the low to the high, and you say, okay, so far it's played out pretty good. So I would expect us to come down to here at 337, 243, and then we'll see what happens. Because basically, you know, we've completed the system. Now do we go back up, come back down? Do we just make it a little smaller, create like more of a wedge? Because we could do this. Let's say we come down to this 70.2, then we would come up to around 22 or 21,949, 21,818. So that's also a possibility. So anyway, but as for today, we are below CPR. We're below the bull zone, and we just came down to bull's last stand, ticked pretty close to it, and then rejected, came back down and flushed through it. So you might see that better here on the 15. Here you go, where we came down, we just about tagged it, not quite, rejected, came back up, and then we flushed down through it. So I thought maybe we were going to come back up and retest it here, and we still may at open up to 437 before maybe we come down and break down. But we'll see. We'll see what they have in plan for us. You can see pretty simple. Let me do a good morning here. I don't know how many people are going to show up today, but yeah, we'll see how it goes this morning. 15 minute, I mean, everything's pointing down. So I got to expect we're going to continue down until that changes. The delta's looking pretty negative at negative 6,300. So they're selling. On the 5-minute chart, you know, we have a sell gap here that essentially, you know, we could still go up and maybe at open take it out. I don't know. We got the 1 minute here at 21,434. So, you know, if I was playing this, I would have to, yeah, I don't like any of this actually. It would have to be something like this. I wouldn't take a short till we cross that. There's the 2 minute. We're still playing around a little bit. Maybe follow that guy up or punch back up above him. Probably still like that. But there's that 5-minute gap. It's also a 1 minute gap, or 2 minute gap, sorry. The 1 minute gap is a little further down. Something like that. Okay, this is the trailing ATR. Set at 14 and 3.25. Seems to be pretty good. So the thought is, for short-term trading, just something to think about. And it's not a ultimate, right? It's not like, oh, we're below it or we're above it, so we're going to go long, and if we're below it, we're going to go short. But I think you can see the, you know, look at that. I mean, we came down, hit below it, and then pretty much stayed below it all morning until just now, till 9 o'clock. So, but the 9 o'clock candle doesn't mean much to me. You know, it's just I always look for, at 9 o'clock, I always look for a pump, always. Whether we're in a down market or an up market. So, it's just what I look for. Maybe going on TV, people get excited, they watching CNBC or watching whatever. Morning, Michael. Just you and me today. Hey, something I checked into. Well, I can do a private stream also. That might be an option. We'll talk about it after thing today and check it out. And you should still be able to talk. Anyway, I was up, not early, but I was up in the morning. I think I took this short here. Got a little bit. I took some money out of 70, so I was going to kind of wait, but I noticed that they already took the money out, so I'm good to go. Here's a short. No matter how you look at that. But we're pretty close to open. I'm going to just let it play out. I will start with the 2 minute. I got my pre-high-low strategy set up. I got my open range. Actually, I need to modify that a little bit. I don't like names. That name's no good. And we could talk about this one too, which I already took off. Okay, so here's the, oh, I don't have it on this one. All right, let's go to 1 minute chart. Huh. Maybe I don't have it on these charts. Yeah, I do, right here. I just can't see it at my angle. There we go. But you guys can see it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, right up here, you can see this color area right here. This is the London Open. I'm going to modify this, and it'll create a line that will go out from here. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. But you can see the indicator down here. Everything's red. We're short. So that's about all I got. I got nothing this morning. There it is. Nice and big. I think what I'll do is I might just extend this out till 9 a.m. I thought about that too. Just extend the color out till 9. And then that way I can see it and see the high and the low. Anyway, wait till open. It always gets a little sloppy in here. Here's some support. If we go through this, I'll just delete it. It's from the hour chart. There we go. There's bear target 1 at 21,276. Bear target 2 at 21,210. I really thought we were going to come up here and retest Bull's last stand at 21,439.75, but we didn't get up there. But we shall see. Okay, I'm going to start off playing, let's see. I will start off by playing the opening range break, and I will be playing micros. I can't take my TPT up any much higher. I like to keep it in under 1,000, right at 1,000 if I can get there. But I have room on both of these to go up. So I'll start off with micros on the strategies in case it screws up like it did last week, which lost me, I think, 2 PAs ultimately. So my ES Unirenko is still in a short, or it's in a short. It's a little behind right now. Nobody cares about that though. Okay, I need this up here. There we go. Actually, this can go up here. I'm just moving screens around so I can see things in a timely manner. There we go. Okay. Good morning, Audrey. Good morning. How much time do I got? Oh, we got 1 minute. Getting close. Going into subscribers only mode, keep some of the riffraff out. There we go. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Are they continuing to dump? I would say that since we're down to almost 300 points, that the answer is yes. ES is down 72. YM is down 430. All right, so here's the opening range. It's starting to play out. I got to get a little prepared here. All right, I'm on MNQ, just wanted to make sure. And we got about 25 seconds or so. Good luck, everybody. And this is so far 98, 16, about 18 points, not bad. Okay, we're going to start off there. Oh, taken out. Wasn't quick enough. And taking out both ways. Oh, no. One more time. Come on, let's go. Come on down. Nope. So 98 down to 70. All right, I'm just going to sit on my hands for a few minutes here. Actually, I want it up a little bit higher. Yeah, let's see if it can hold that. Nope. All right, that's enough of that. Strategy, just take that off. Enough playing. I'm glad I didn't play that. Truly messing up my eval there. I'm gonna have to get that back. But not too much damage. So 98. At 28 points. Now I'm just going to let this play a little bit, kind of get settled in. Yeah, what's the short? All right, coming back up to retest that. Should have taken that. Okay, I got 7 seconds for this to close out. Make a move up. Make a move up. I want it to make a little move up. Not right now. Okay, 5-minute low is in. Come back and retest that. I would like it to come all the way up to 83 if we could. 80 for sure. Ah. Okay. That was close. Fast. Try Face ID again. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna let things calm down a little bit. Oh shit. All right. See what happens here. Coming up and fill that 5-minute gap. Here we go. Okay, 5-minute gaps filled. Good morning, Bahamas. Morning income trader, Gary Kofper. Good morning. I'm just waiting for a setup. Hey Gary, what do you got for IWM? I took 219 puts. We're down at Bull's last stand. We're bouncing. $94, so that'd be 18, and that would be 122. Let's go with 125. Okay, kind of in no man's land here. See if we drop the 5-minute low. Nobody liked that. Okay, taking that. Come on, baby, push it down. Here I'm going to add pivot information. Here we go. So I want to go down here to bear target 1. That's where I'd like to see it go. Okay, looking pretty good. So, can't really go anywhere right now. Okay, fill the 1 minute gap. There's another little 1 minute gap up here. It's a 15-minute timer, so So 15-minute lows in. Come on, give me a new low. Just being patient. Let's see, 42, 342, 242. Come on, let's get down there. Okay, so I got 2 minutes 30 on this 5 minute, so I'm kind of hiding behind the 5 minute high there, or the current candle high, which I don't really like. Just being patient, let it play out. "36 seconds left." Oh, come on. Come on. Stay down. Oh, you're kidding me. That was some crap. That was some crap. So is this. Taking a little long. Come on, baby, get up there. We had to get everything synced up. All right, waiting on the 5 minutes. Good reversal candle on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 15 minute looks like. 15 minutes, still just playing games. It can come up here and fill this gap up at 382. So 382 is right up here. Should have held on to those IWMs. Okay, session high, session low. We just went above the 50% and rejected down so far. I'm more interested in the 5 minute candle, which doesn't look so good. Okay. And this trend line is about like this. So, I mean, you can take it from the wicks and possibly going into a short here. Came back down through the 5 minute low. I'm going to just wait a few seconds here. Looking for a short. What did we get down to? 296, okay. Okay. I don't know what to make of that candle. 5 minutes. I still like to short below the wick. So I'll hold. Three minutes left on this 15. This might be a little reversal here. All right, here we go. IWM's pumping down. Let's see, and Q's down almost 400. ES is at 97. And YM is 675. Wow. There's some selling going on. So it might be just a buy and hold. Try to buy and hold this, or sell and hold this. If you can. It's always tough. This is just a wicked candle. Not my style of candle. Should have just taken profit, damn it. Okay, so the 1 minute, okay, that might have just been a 1 minute retest. 313. Come on, 15-minute hold, baby. Retest of the 15-minute low. 320, see if I can get 220. I might take my 70. We'll leave him go for a few more minutes, but not much more. All right, so got to watch potential bounce at 276. All right, it's either we could bounce there or we plunge right through it. Okay. Decent entry up here. We came down, moved up, then came back down, and that's where I wanted to go in. Now I just needed to get through bear target 1 with some authority. That's not bad. Little more. There we go. Pushing session lows down. There we go. Okay, I'm going to lock in, try to lock in 1,000. So the 320 be 70. And I'll just be happy with that, huh? Should I go for the 2,000? Let's go for 2,000. I need 220 for that. But we got some gaps there, so I don't feel real good about that. We got some big gaps up here that I would think we were going to fill, but I just don't want to come back and get wicked. So that's the gap fill right there, the immediate one. All right, baby, keep going down. Give me 320, 220. Nope, nope, got me. Just what I didn't want to have happen. But I will take it short through bear target 1 if we come back down through 276. In fact, I'll see if I can just redo this whole play again. Get rid of that. We're going to close the, looks like possibly the 5-minute gap here. Or, yep. And that will go up to 316. So 313, somewhere in there. Right in there. Yep. Okay, we just filled it. We're going to go up higher. So we're getting a little squeezed here. Shorts are covering. Somebody's covering. Kind of dangerous. Come on, keep going down. I'm just going to try to cover here. Here we go. Beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. Followed that up. Didn't get as high as I wanted. I wanted 20. We went up as high as 35. So I was going to take 20 and thought, okay, 20 would be good, but it was just a little quick for me. All right, I'm just going to cover, just going to bring my stop down and say I'll take whatever I can get now as free money. Right? I'd like to come down to 220 if I can hold it. Got a minute 47, so I don't know if we'll do a suck back on the 1 minute or not. See if we can come down to session lows. That would be great. Okay, I'm good right there. Come on, let's go. If we can come back down to session lows, that would just be fantastic. Almost got to where my original entry. Not quite. Should be up here at 300, but 301 would be ideal. Okay. All right. That was fun. Okay, so we're fighting the 5-minute or 15-minute low and then the 5-minute low up here. We're still below the trailing ATR. Okay, got back to green on everything. Well, except for that deval. That's okay. Yep. Okay, watching for a reversal candle here. A guy could do something like this. If I wanted to go low, probably 87. Question is, I just don't know if I want to right now. Okay, we're staying below the 15-minute low there. Got 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Let's see. No, I don't want that. Okay, still everything's solid red. $10 o'clock, market's getting a little, just looks like it's getting a little tired. Let's see what happens. I'm really not fond of that short. $15-minute. I'm really interested to see how this one closes out. 288. All right. I could think about that short right there. Oh, should have taken it up there at 298. I wasn't acknowledging the 300 there. Why did I know you were going to do that? All right, 3 minutes left. See, on the 5 minute, I couldn't get long until 324, and you probably have to be a pretty nice move above that, right? But there's your move, potential move. I just don't know if I'm interested in a long. Okay. Yeah, it's possible. It's not really for me, it's not really a definitive answer here, right? It's not oh, here's a perfect candle setup, need to go long. Like this one, right? Like this was a perfect little example. That's what I'm looking for. Otherwise, it's just something like this. We're going to go up and then fail. So, potentially. All right, we can't even get above the 5 minute lows right here. But maybe that's it. So we got a little bit of a 15-minute sell gap right here. I don't really play them, but it's there. There's a big one up here. Everything else is pretty close. There's a little one here. Okay, so but what I would be interested in, let me make sure this is correct. Okay. Is a move above, close below. I don't know why this one doesn't have it on there. I must have taken it off for some reason. Okay, so we did cross above and close above the ATR. So that's a little bullish. We're still showing red. You have lower target for the end of the year. Okay. 4-hour suck back. I like, nice term, Jason. Good morning. I like the suck back term. That tells me exactly what it was doing. Okay, so I think what I would like to see here is a freaking move up above this 1 minute, close above, and then reject. But let's see if it can even get that high. Right now, we're just looks like we're filling this 5 minute gap here. We're close enough. We already probably hit it. That would have probably been a good long. What's that? 30, 25, 28. Yep. 28 to 38. Get 10 points. Take 2. Take 1 off. Hold the other. And you'd be out right now. Probably pretty close. Break even. I think you would have been taken out. Looks to me just like a retest of the 1 minute. What did I miss that? 53. We're down 30 points from there already. Damn, I hate to jump in here. I might just jump in and play like a 5-point stop. I'll go to break even. Try to get a little bit. Give me 100. I'll take 5 points. 16. There we go. Just a quick little scalp. Beautiful. Quick little scalp. Look at that. Gonna get. Come on. Give me 500. Ah, I missed it. I missed it. Come on. Let's try it again. I'm still in it. Come on. Come on down. One more time. One more time. Nope. That's all right. That was my error. Should have just hit the close button. 59 points. Jiminy crickets. Michael, did you take that? Tell me you took that. What's up, Lewis? Tell me you took that. Should have stayed in that trade too. Just to move back up to the 1 minute weighted. Didn't quite get there on the 1 minute. I got 1 minute left on the 5. I'm going to wait for that to close before I do anything. I would probably take the short below 282. But now if we get up here, I'll take it below 292. Depending on where we close, I'll move it up. Depending on how we close. Come on. So new 5 minute. 15 still got a lot of time to play. They can do a lot of things. They can stop now. That would be enough. And then go back up. And be a green candle and nobody would be the wiser. Lewis. We'll see if they dupe me here. I'll play this one tight also. Come on. Let's see. Oh. 50% was 270. Had to change my ATM setup a little bit. Yeah, this is just danger zone. The danger zone. I still like that short though. Nope. Yeah, I held on to two of my IWM puts there, Gary. So over the weekend, I put in this new indicator that I made. So it keeps track of session low, the 15-minute low, the 5-minute low, and IB, which will be done in 4 minutes here. And that's what we could be waiting for, believe it or not. See if we can get a move up to 292. Let's take off 4, so 288. Don't take me out, baby. Oh, come on. Be nice. Still think that's a good trade. Get back up there. Come on, give me 25. So 90. Let's go. Give me 70. Come on. Keep going. Okay, I need to change something here. Oh, that's why. Okay. All right, we're still holding out at bear target 1. Now I'm going to get taken out. Yeah, I'm just spinning my wheels here. It's a hard short. I have to give Bahamas Trader some props, man, for keeping me alive on PA 70. I think it was last week. I was probably going to go on tilt with it, and he told me, "Hey, how about we save it for another day?" And that got me thinking, and I did. I stopped trading it, and I took out 500 last night. Nothing big, but yep, thank you. All right, so this might be a move up here, or it might be just a sell. That's right. That's why I'm trading small today. I got up on my PA 76 and my TakeProfitTrader, and I said, well, let me play just some micros to start off with, and I got to get rid of my scalping mentality. So IB lows now in, IB highs or IBH is in. And I would be interested in something like that. See if we can get a move down to the IB. Just going to be patient now. I got blown up. Oh, Bullnox and TakeProfitTrader accounts. How do you like it? You know, I like it. I kind of like the drawdown because you can, I hate it, but I like it also. I hate it because, man, if you don't watch your account, if you get down below 1100, it's done. So it makes you play a little more conservative, right? And the Bullnox, I didn't pick up one yet. I don't know why I didn't on Friday, but I didn't. So I'll try to pick one up or two today. If they're still having that sale, and then I'll check those out. But I like the TakeProfitTrader. I like the fact that I can take money out daily, right? You make 500, you could take 500. Obviously, you got to keep that threshold. There's a threshold with it. I think it's 2,500, and but literally, if you make, I don't think there's any clauses or anything as far as if you made 4,000 the first day. I mean, you can take 1,500 out. So, I mean, the next day, right? So there's no waiting 8 days or 4 days or 5 days or whatever everybody else does. So that is a benefit. All right. Yeah. Bullnox, they have the 30% rule. They're a little pricey. Like right now, they have the no fee 40, but they're threatening to, I think, take it off at the end of the year. And basically, you pay like 105 or something like that for the account, and then you pay 150. I think it is like on a 50K, you pay 150, and then to get it activated, once you pass the evaluation, and then but on your first withdrawal, they give you the $100 back. Their big advantage, in my opinion, is the daily withdrawals. That's the advantage that they have over everybody else. So they currently have the no fee 40, or you can use MRFIBS. It'll give you the same one. And so like on a 50K, you pay 104, I think it is. And then you know, you got to evaluate. You know, you just watch it. If you get close to $1,000, just stop trading on that account. You know, you still get a 2,500 drawdown, but it's a little forgiving. And then, but man, if you go over the 1,100, that's it. That account's done. No getting it back. You can reset it, but it's about the same price as getting a new one. But like I said, their biggest advantage, in my opinion, is the daily withdrawal. Once you go to a pro account, just the withdrawal. All right, so 5 minute, 15. We're just playing games in here. I'm going to take this off. I'm not doing anything right now. The hour chart. So here's the hour. We got 22 minutes left. You know, that doesn't look too bullish to me. So even this candle, we could still come down and be red next 20 minutes. So we did hit target 1. We just haven't hit target 2 yet. Do we? I don't know. Let's look at the charts. So if I come up here and put my fibs, you know, I said the 70.2. Look at that. So I think we got pretty close. I better get my glasses on. All right, Gary. We got to get on the same page, too. All right, so we missed it just barely, looks like. So there's still an opportunity for us to come down and hit the 78.6 and actually wick this guy, maybe on the next candle. I don't know. I would hate to see this hour candle close above 337. Well, not hate. Hate is a strong word, but it just wouldn't favor then a downward move. It would probably potentially save a reversal. IWM starting to put a little bowl in, kind of like this. Makes me think that potentially reversals in order. 2 minute chart, starting to get a little bullish. Move back above session high, in my opinion, is bullish. That's a pretty bullish candle there. Ooh, doggy. Broke above the 1 minute. I'd like to see get them move back down. I'd like to see these guys cross and then see if we can come back down here. Maybe I can take a long there. Okay. Yep. Okay, I see your DMs now. Holy smokies. Yeah, why? You need to be just going, saying, oh, thank you very much. I'm done for the day. Or I'm done for the week. Shit, I'm done for the year. I'm done till June. I don't have to come back. Huh. Good day. Yeah, I'm kidding. Bazinga. That's a bazinga if I ever saw it. Okay. Well, make sure you, yeah, let me know how that works out for you. So far, it's working out pretty well. Huh. Yeah, and that's just a link to get you there. You still have to use a coupon code. Wow. Okay, I'll have to look at them. All right, potential buy signal. Potential. I'd like to see these guys cross. I started looking at it over the weekend, and this is the 34 EMA, the 1 minute weighted. You want to talk about not a bad signal either. Here's one right here, crossed. You could have taken that. Great short. I messed that up. Shouldn't have done that. Ruh-roh. I got a little lock up here. It should recover. Well, maybe not. So wave 4 move up. That's what you're saying? Which could get violent. Or are you saying wave 4 down? You're going to have to explain that a little bit. Okay, I got nothing here. Arr. Yeah, so do I. See if I can interrupt it by saving. Well, it's saved. All right, I'm gonna do something here real quick. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm locked up, so just give me a second. Okay, that's not letting me. I'm trying to close down that other work group. There we go. There we go. All right, we're just about back. Okay, we dropped back below the 1 minute. Great. Okay, I'm exactly where I need to be. The perfect short would have been 29. Retest. Ah, you turd. I'm going to try to get in again. And I'm going to look for about a 40, let's see, from 28. Yep, right where I'm at. Let's see if I can get that. I don't know if this play is going to work, but we came above the 1 minute, dropped back below, so that should be bearish. But we may have already made our move. If I look at that, it's 30, yeah. Could be I just missed it. Should have been up on here, right around 30, and then taking it down. But there's a possibility you can still go 40. So let's just see. Okay, 15-minute candle, still have 5 left. It's kind of dangerous here because we could just pop right back up. We did a little downward move, got people to be bearish. Now I could just spin it back around on them. It's worth a shot. Nope. Come get me. So it could be that, could be the long right there. I'll wait for a move above 243 or come back down below. I'll take either one. Hopefully not both of them. Okay, our 2 minute, our little indicator saying, hey, it's getting to be a little choppy here. Okay, up 2, there's 10 points. Come on, baby. $56, come on. There we go. I'm going to lock in 10. That's it. I would take another one above here at 371. 58.65, huh? Well, that's 100 points down. Between today and tomorrow. Okay, gonna wait for these 45 seconds. Back above 5-minute low. And we're heading to maybe get back up there. Down 330 on NQ. ES is down only 82 now, 83. And YM is 574. 346. I got a little buy indication. Yeah. See if I can get a 5-minute gap fill. I don't know if we will. I usually like to have it done within the first 2 minutes. Streamlabs, come on. Okay, one off. Go back to close to break even. Come on, baby, get back up there. Give me that long. So we got that. I got that cross. Damn it! I wanted to stay in that trade. 5 minute. I still like it. I'll try to stay in this trade. We'll see how the next 5 minute candle plays. But I got that cross. We came down. We could still come down to 37, somewhere in there. Should have just went to break even. There we go. Give me another out. Come on, stay up there. Give me 59. There we go. Push it on up. Come on, get up to VWAP. Could be a nice long. Let's go. Ah, shit. Yep, getting to be the time to go take a nap. Go for a walk. Slow-mo time. Nice. Nice, nice. You know, my wife, she's got a little bit of time. 11 o'clock. See if we can get a push up. Come on, baby. What would that be? That would be close to 45. Yeah, that'll get me where. Nice, Bombers. I'm just playing around. I'll see if I can, hopefully I can get this one to go and cruise on up to VWAP. That would be pretty cool. $514.59. Gotcha. Still got 2 minutes left on this 5 minute. Boy, see how it slowed down since we hit 11? Came to a stop. 1 minute left. Yeah, don't really like that candle. Come on, let's go. Get past 80. Just slow-mo. Not much to do. Just sit there and wait. 2-minute chart. We got that nice little cross right here. Just like I talked about earlier that I wanted it to come down here. It actually came down a little bit further than I wanted. Probably 30 points. But still pretty decent. Then the move back up. Now I'd like to see it come up to VWAP. I don't know if we can get that high. If I go from the top to the low of the session, we're at 78.6 now. So this actually be a good place to go ahead and get out. See what we're going to do here. Come on, baby. Give me VWAP. There we go. Those other couple stop outs I took, were just not big enough stops. There we go. 25, so 92. I'll go to 98. Come on, baby, go. Get session high. That's where some liquidity is going to be. I'll be fine anywhere in here. All right, looks like my PA got out. I tried to get out. If I can get that, it would be a good place to go ahead and quit. Got to get up to 416. All right, that's good. All right, that was a good trade. Now there is a potential IB trade right there. Let me get rid of that. Right? Let me take that off. I'm just going to play it on my eval. Oh, that was 50 right there. What am I doing? 10 and 50. Okay, there's a pullback. Back to 401, 400. Does it hold or does it drop? Come on, baby, give it to me. All right, there's 10. Let's see, so 81, let's go to 84. There we go. All right. That's a good way to end. Little 5-minute gap fill. Good trade on the way up. A couple stop outs, but they happen. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way my indicator played out today. I mean, it's not perfect yet, but it's pretty clean. I'm looking at it on YouTube. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad yet. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe my quality's not the best here. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Okay, that's better. Had to go to 1080. But that looks a lot better. Not bad. I'll get these guys lined up eventually. I haven't decided what to do. When I put them in like here, they override each other. So I got to figure out a way to say, well, if these guys are within 5 points of each other, then 15 you'll step out. But if you're outside of 5 points, then you can be where you need to be. Something like that. I don't know. I'll play with it. This was a fun indicator to make. All right, I think I'm going to stop. I'm back to green on my PA70, just by a little bit. And then 76 is still good, and that guy's still good. So the Pro, TPT Pro, he's good. My eval, I'll probably YOLO him later today. Either he works or he doesn't. And that's it. I'll go grab the old lady and go for a little walk. And all right, Lewis, ciao, thank you. Lewis, Bahamas Trader, Gary, Income Trader, Jason, what's up? Thank you. Michael, thank you. Kovper, Odri, am I pronouncing that right? Odri, O-D-R-I, or yeah, Odri. That's the way I would say it. O, because you got a capital O, so Odri. That's the way it sounds to me. Yeah, man. Ciao. I think tomorrow's a short day, right? Is it a half day or is it a full day? I don't know. I'll have to look. I'm not worried about it right now. That's tomorrow. And that's the way, yeah, you too, Jason. That's the way I like trading is I don't want to have to study shit. Okay? It's not that I'm lazy. I am kind of lazy, but I don't want to have to study like in 15 charts, whatever. That's why I like futures. That's why I've tried to set my charts up so they're easy to read and hopefully simple to follow, right? So my goal is to come in and just by telling me where CPR is, the bull zone or the bear zone, it'll tell me how I need to play and what I need, what direction I need to be thinking, right? And then I have to just wait for the daily, or for intraday to actually see how to play. But yeah, when I first started, I was doing 18-hour days, man. That's right, 18-hour days, just trying to learn shit as much as I could. And I finally said, oh, screw that. Turn my computer off at 1 o'clock no matter what. I don't watch any overnight action at all. I want to just come in and sit down and say, okay. That's why I like this little indicator. It's simple. It gives me I don't have to have timers. I'll turn a couple of the timers off that I have for the 5-minute, the 15 to remind me to put a line and shit in. I don't have to do that. It's already there. Then I have my bear bull targets. Perfect. Session lows, so I know when new low is going to be made. I mean, and now I've also integrated in the London low. Like here's the London low right here. And here it is right here. So London low, London high. I mean, and what else do I need to know? I don't think too much more. It's pretty simple. So, all right. Ciao, everybody. Have a good day, and we'll chat tomorrow.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight.